Good morning, it's 6 a.m. and we're just about to head off to the Carlisle Car Show. Today we're heading out to the show in a car that we're revealing to you today. We'll give you some more information on it a little later.
Race week. This ain't race week. This is budget driving to the show today. 560 gallon.
560 a gallon here. We're just stopping off to get some fuel put in the car before we make it the rest of the way up to Carlisle.
Deer, get on the road, deer.
While we drive to the show, let me tell you about this car. It is a 1963 Super Sport convertible, but beyond that it has been lowered using the Church Boys front suspension and has had the center molding removed to improve styling. I will do a more in-depth video in the future, so subscribe if you want to see that.
Alright, Novas and friends, we are in Carlisle. If you thought the roads were rough before,
Guys, I just finished walking all the rows. Looks like it's gone pretty busy here at the Nova area, so I'm gonna go sit down and relax for a few minutes and then we'll continue on with the show. After this point, I didn't really know what to record, so I'm going to just kind of skip to the end of the show where we encountered a problem. Alright, guess we're heading out of here now.
well, did we blow it up? It's raining.
I don't see anything.
Well, Novas and friends, that is all the fun part of owning a old car, or any car that you drench on. Working the bugs out, things go wrong. Unfortunately, I am not a rich man. I am just a humble man that likes cool cars. Guess there could be worse things. Well, we're going to try to make it home after that fiasco, scared to death. Hopefully it was just a loose light bulb that was underneath the dash for the courtesy lights. That was making the rattle, 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 rattle noise. It sounded like the freaking valve train was falling apart. It sounded like a timing chain was coming apart. Did check the transmission fluid. We topped it off. We weren't that far off. And wish us luck. Fingers crossed.
Alright guys, we are back, so that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.